Today I will show you how to create an account on UpScrolled. Open the app and then click on create account. Type your name and your email and your date of birth. And then select your password. Password must have uh, at least one symbol and at least one uppercase. Click on next and then next, and you will receive a verification code. Open your Gmail and here is the verification code. Copy it and then paste it and click verify. Now you should enter what you want to be called in this app and click sign up. And that's it. Now your account is created. Follow for more UpScrolled tips.